Welcome to Understand the Math. In this problem, we're going to find the distance between vectors u and v, and we're given a vector u and a vector v. I went ahead and wrote down the formula that we're going to be using. The distance between u and v is equal to the magnitude of u minus v. Before we compute the magnitude of u minus v, let's first compute u minus v. So our vector u minus v is going to be this vector. All we're going to do is take the first component of u and subtract off the first component of v. So this is 1 minus a negative 2. And then we go ahead and subtract off our next components. And this is a 5 minus a 4. And then lastly, we're going to get a 7 minus a 1. This is going to give us the vector 3, 1, and 6. Now all we have to do is take the magnitude of this vector. So the magnitude of u minus v is just going to be the square root of each component in u minus v squared. So this is going to be a 3 squared plus a 1 squared plus a 6 squared. This is going to give us the square root of 9 plus 1 plus 36, which is going to give us an answer of the square root of 46. So the square root of 46 is the distance between vectors u and v.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.